I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they can't.
Summers and I'm out in my bed on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cook clean, but still won't fall. Still working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight, 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away till the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight, $16.
Hey, my name is Kayla Marie and welcome back to my channel. As always, thank you guys for tuning in, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you can join the good vibes this way. So first of all, good morning. It is Saturday the 21st. It is about 9-ish o'clock, something around that. I got up, did a few things around the house. I need to get something to eat. Honestly, I don't feel like cooking. I wish I would have picked up some cereal yesterday from the store. We have plenty of milk, no cereal. I do not feel like cooking no bacon, eggs, and I don't feel like eating that. And it takes time. And I have a lot of stuff to do today. So yeah, I really regret not getting no cereal. And it wasn't even on my mind. I don't even know why, but it wasn't. Maybe I'll pick up some later today, or I'll go get some tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, so the kids are up per usual in here making all the noise that they always make. I'm gonna get them dressed and ready for the day. Then I have to get myself dressed and ready for the day. Yeah. Y'all like my little frog outfit? It's hot. It's really hot. I'm sweating under this thing, okay? I'm really sweating. The kids are going to the neighbors. And then me and Brandon, we are going out to celebrate his birthday. His birthday was yesterday, but I worked yesterday and I was just like kind of tired, you know? And it's Friday, like, So he was like, it really doesn't matter. So we're just gonna do something today and we're gonna have fun. I would like to have fun. I haven't told him what we're going to do because obviously it's supposed to be a surprise. So hopefully he has fun. Yeah, he's done this before. I've never done it. I'm a little anxious, but I'm excited at the same time. So keep on watching and then you guys to see what we're going to do. We're also gonna go eat afterwards. I don't know where we're gonna eat. It's wherever he chooses to eat. As you guys may know or may not know, we live in New Mexico, so we do have like Applebee's, we have Red Lobster, Chili's, and we also have Texas Roadhouse. So yeah, it is what it is. I feel like you're probably gonna get a steak or something, whatever. I do know I want something good to eat for sure. I might get a drink, I may not get a drink. If I do, it's just gonna be one drink because you girl. Another thing, I'm not like drinking liquor and all that stuff like that, wine, so yeah. Anyways, I'm getting ready to get up and find something to eat for these kids and myself. And yeah, start the day. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. No, seriously, but hey y'all, what is up? Today is Tuesday, December 10th. My that happens that's why I'm saying this. Really want to get back to this. This rain is throwing me off. Oh my god. So I had to make a pit stop to the hair. Yeah, they just kind of flares out. Cute.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my shirt up over my head. Oh my, ooh, there goes my skirt dropping to my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch caressing my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. Who could this be? I tried and I tried to avoid.
So y'all, excuse the mess and excuse that picture on the floor. I have not put it up yet. Y'all see my baby cow over there? She made that for me. But yeah, anyways, I'm trying to decide. I got the fan on if y'all hear like some noise in the back. And then I got like the rain sound on the TV. So I'm trying to decide if I want to wear my Christmas sweater again and he wear his Christmas sweater, or if I wear this gray sweater and like some Uggs or something, because I'm not wearing no heels. My ankles are bad. I'm gonna take this bag. I took this stuff out of it. I'll put it back in there when I come back. I just need something a little bigger to put all my stuff in. So we decided to go with the sweater, so that's what we're gonna wear. Cool with me, it's comfortable, so my scent, I think I am going to wear my Ariana Grande God Is a Woman. This smells so good. And then I'm gonna put this on. It's like body shimmer. It's so freaking gorgeous, and it smells like baby powder. And then I'm also gonna wear my Sol de Janeiro. This is number 71. So it's caramelized vanilla in Madagascar. It smells so good, y'all, so good. I am about to take this band off of my hair, and I hope this lace is laying down because it keeps coming up. Then I'm just gonna, I need to get dressed. It's about 4 o'clock, and we have to be there. We have to be there at 5. And we also have to drop off the kids first before we can even head to the place. You see how long his is? I wish mine was that long, but it's not. It really sucks. I will also be wearing, y'all, I have used this so much. Like, I'm savoring it, trying to hold on to it. This is from my brand, Color Coded Cosmetics. This brown hit every time. So I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna pair it with a Victoria's Secret lip gloss. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this as well. This is so old, y'all. The Victoria's Secret Peekaboo. I'm gonna wear that and blend it in with my liner. And that's pretty much it for my makeup. I did put a little bit of blush on. I put some mascara on my lips. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna put this one on first. And I'm gonna mix it in with my lotion. Y'all look at that, it's so freaking pretty. Can y'all see that? Look how it comes out. Ugh, gotta have that. I got mine from Dollar General, but they have it at Walmart too. Like the little, you see that glitter? I like that. The shimmer on there. Oh, it smells so good. I like stuff that smells like baby powder. It smells good. Okay, put my shoes on, and that's pretty much it. Let's spray this on. I like these, but to be honest, they don't last. And I guess because it's a mist, it just doesn't last. But I do like them. The projection isn't that great. So I'm gonna put my shoes on, y'all. These are the ones I'm wearing. These shoes is not comfortable. They hurt. They really hurt, but they match. So I mean, I could wear my Uggs because my feet are hurting. I always gotta fight to put these shoes on. God, oh. I barely wore these shoes. I wore them back home in South Carolina. And my mother-in-law, she has like a lot of dirt in her yard. And my shoes got dirty. So they're a little dirty. I wore these shoes probably like I won't even say, I probably wore these like 2 times before I decided to wear them down in South Carolina, and they got dirty.
South Carolina.
What?
I want to hear your video actions.
You'll see it on the TV. She always gotta come in here. She wanna hear my video actions. How about come time about my shoes?
They look nice. They look like
I said
that.
come tie them for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
watch me tie, guys. I swear.
God, it's hard to put them shoes on.
Can you
I don't really like the tongue on these shoes. I don't know why they so
Could they see the shoes?
they so thick. Tie my shoes for me. Wait, you got it. All right, guys. So this is the fit. The Grinch Christmas sweater. Super cute. I have on these faux leather pants. I love the slit. You can see my shoes. Cute. I have on my Jordan 1s. I'm not a sneakerhead, so don't come at me in the comments if I said the wrong name of the sneakers. But I'm thinking the Jordan 1s. Let me see.
Nike shoes.
Jordan Air 1s, yeah. Red, white, and black. Red, white, and black. So this came out cute. Like, in my head, I was like, okay, I can wear like my sweater and I have these pants, but I wasn't even thinking about these shoes at all because I don't wear them like that. I was just gonna wear like my Uggs, but yeah, I like these better. And I'm gonna wear my little Fashion Nova little jacket, coat, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be like a trench coat, but it's something like that. Something like that. I wish it was black because I have on
It looks
black,
like you're too far.
but it's okay.
It doesn't really
I
match.
might wear this. I don't know. I might not. I might just wear my sweater. I have this, but it's like huge. It's really big. I got it in a 2X. I don't know why. I should have just did a 1X. But I like oversized stuff, but this is like super oversized. So I'm gonna just take this in case. Put it in the car or whatever. But I'm probably not gonna wear it. I'm gonna just take it in case. And here's this bag I showed y'all earlier. I'm gonna just carry this right here. I got my ID, I got my card, I got my phone, car keys. That should be it. I'm gonna put some more spray on because I like to smell good. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, don't y'all hate that? Dang. Trying to take me out. Put some on the back. I got this one. If y'all don't watch Peyton Marie Charles, love her. On the back of my nape of my hairline back there. Yeah. All right. So let's see if I can get him on camera too so you can show y'all his outfit. We'll see. No, I mean his. All right, y'all. So this is Brandon's outfit. Cute. He has Snoopy, and I'm doing the Grinch. This one is mine, the Grinch, with the shoes down here. So we wanted to match, so we're gonna do the Christmas sweaters. All right, y'all. So we made it.
Or both lessons?
Both of y'all have to do it. And it's the one that says 1654.
Out of 17.
If this world were mine, if this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you the Bitch, I might get mad at you. Baby, no bro, baby, I might get mad at you. Baby, no, you already stressful. All this shit I got a shit out of fire. I got a groupie on my bike. I'm making it hot.
So we at Red Lobster for dinner. We left the gun range. It was cool. It was different. I had to get used to it. But yeah, we're gonna eat at Red Lobster tonight. And I hope it's good because I'm hungry, y'all. Steak and lobster 25. We should have came Wednesday. Shoot. I'm gonna try the watermelon lemonade.
Watermelon lemonade, yes, ma'am. Just for you, sir.
Just a watermelon margarita.
Watermelon margarita. Okay, did you want that on the rocks or you want it frozen?
On the rock.
On the rocks, got it.
That's good, y'all. And they brought out the biscuits. I sometimes wish they had butter like Texas Roadhouse. That look good, y'all. I just got a watermelon lemonade. That business is trash. This is trash. Stir it up. You ain't even stir it. That looks good. Big bag.
Thank you.
Amen. Oh, that look good, y'all.
Alright. Do we need extra lemon or anything?
Oh, can I have honey mustard?
Yeah, of course, I'll grab it.
What kind of fruit? I should make her take this shit back. Yo, look at these fries. I should tell her to take them back. Cause what the hell?
Here's this one.
I'm sorry.
No,
Can
that's
I have some more fries?
More fries?
Like,
Yeah, let me let him know, okay?
I am not paying for that. I had to tell her to go get me some more fries, because what is that? Hold on. That's insane. Here's my food, y'all. I got the surf and turf. Your food must be good because you smacking down. The season on the fries smell good though. It look pink. Ew.
If it go any more, if you took it any more, it's gonna be a darn hockey puck.
I don't want it.
It's red meat.
This is not done. Marshalls. This is the last stop before I go home, y'all. It's perfect to come at nighttime because ain't nobody really in here. And I love that for me. Dang, y'all, they didn't clean up the stuff over there. For sure. Y'all, this is crazy. Oh, wow. This some BS. I wanted to see if they had any Steve Maddens. They ain't even got no Steve Madden pocketbooks. Everything is gone. I should have got this when I was in here last time. This is cute, but I don't like the color. This is so stinking cute. And it's $17. These are cute. How much are these? $14.99. They're just so thick. I don't like how thick they are. I heard this was good. This looks like some Korean stuff. That might be good. Snail mucin. But I want to try, not this brand though. Oh, this is the snail mucin. It's $6.99. I might have to get that. Because I heard this brand is good. It's the Korean brand. I want to smell this. Yeah, that sounds good. God, this shit is huge. $6.99, that's crazy. I'd be skeptical when say face body in here. Because I don't like that one. That's like, they ain't really got no socks. You need some more of these, but I don't see the price on them. Oh, $7. I'm gonna get some of these because I've been wanting some more fluffy socks. I like fluffy socks. Let's see what kind of mugs they got. I love mugs, y'all. I don't see one that's screaming at me though, you know? Nah, I lied. This is cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm gonna buy it? No. But it's cute. That's cute. $13 for this. It's okay. Let's see what this one smells like. I don't like them. Brandon needs some socks, y'all. Like, I don't know why. Every time you buy him some socks, they just disappear. I don't understand. I don't understand it. I might get those for Cordell. You get, let me see, 8 pairs, and you get 10. How much is these? Oh, we getting these. It's $4.99. Yeah, so I'm gonna get him those. And see if Aubrey got some socks for Aubrey. They got these socks. May get those for her. This might be a little too big for her. How cute is this? This is so stinking cute. Let's check out. I am back home. Excuse that in the back. My daughter was in here and she messed up my bed. She's in her room now, but yeah. Today was fun. It was nice to get out of the house. I enjoyed everything and I think he enjoyed everything, so that's all that matters. I didn't really get much from Marshall's. I just got me some more fluffy socks. I was definitely in need of some more. How much was those? I found this as well. It's Korean skincare. I've been hearing a lot of things about Korean skincare, so I just wanted to try it out. It's only $7.99, $8, so can't hurt, right? So it comes with perfect cream, perfect cleansing foam, perfect toner, and perfect amply. Whatever that means. But yeah, you got this. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I got this cleaner. Collagen Foam Cleanser by Snail Mucin. And this was only $4.99 too. So altogether, I spent like, yeah, $49. Not bad. My name is Kayla Marie, and as always, thank you guys for watching my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell because we have nothing but good vibes this way. See you in another one. Bye.
Dreams away, dreams away, dreams away.